Hello everyone, this is Rajendran here, creator of OpenAlgo, and we're going to learn what OpenAlgo is all about. See, OpenAlgo is basically an simple trading bridge. It is a self-hosted application, means I can run OpenAlgo in my Windows desktop, or maybe in a Windows server, or in a Linux server, or even in an Apple MacBook, doesn't matter. So I can run this application and I can connect my favorite trading platforms like AmiBroker, TradingView, Python, or even if you're having strategies in MetaTrader 5 or Excel sheet or maybe C# or Node.js. So it doesn't matter, you can write your strategies in your own favorite application and you can connect your trading application with OpenAlgo to automate your trades with your own favorite broker. And the best part is it's 100% completely open source, means you can download the complete code and you own the OpenAlgo, right? And you can connect with your own favorite brokers to automate it. Here are the current list of supported brokers. Right now I had integrated with Angel, Fires, Upstock, Zerodha, and very soon we'll be integrating with 5paisa, Dun, ICICI and Kotak. Currently OpenAlgo supports integration with trading platforms like AmiBroker, TradingView, MetaTrader, Excel, Python, Node.js, Java and C# for trading automation, where you can write your own strategies in your own favorite platforms like AmiBroker and TradingView. You connect with OpenAlgo and you transmit order to your own favorite broker. OpenAlgo comes with a lightweight, minimalistic dashboard. You can also monitor your order book, trade book, position book for the connected brokers. And along with that, you'll also able to generate your API key. Probably you'll be able to go and see under your profile section, you'll be able to change your main login password. And along with that, you'll also able to manage to see your automation trading logs. Basically, OpenAlgo shows that particular day's logs. And along with that, you're also able to get documentation assistance as well. So complete documentation is provided in OpenAlgo. Time to time, we are also updating the OpenAlgo documentation as well. So if you want to integrate AmiBroker, so you can get AmiBroker based modules, how to connect those modules, so some of the codes and some of the sample strategies. Let's say you want to integrate with Python and you need some sample strategies and you want to know how to automate it, or if you want to know about the supported APIs, so API details, API structure, all those things which is necessary for an automated trader, we are providing in OpenAlgo. It's completely free and completely open source, and developers can build on top of OpenAlgo. They can build their own innovative ideas and everybody can use as a community. So that's the power of OpenAlgo here. And where you can go and download, so basically you can go to openalgo.in. let's say go to openalgo.in. From here you can go to GitHub source code, and from here you'll be able to download the application or you'll be able to clone the application. You can completely remodify the application, and that is what OpenAlgo is all about. See you soon with yet another OpenAlgo tutorial video with more interesting content on how to integrate platforms like AmiBroker, platforms like TradingView, Python, MetaTrader, right? So stay tuned for the tutorials. Thank you.